I'm gonna repair this patch here. It's something that it's pretty easy to do, but it's very easy to also get wrong. The last person that did this repair, obviously they put a patch, but they probably didn't put enough cement right here. When the rubber cement tried to cure, it did one of these. And so this was a really easy fix for me. So I took off the tire, filled it up with air, and right off the back, this guy is totally leaking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this patch right here, as much as I can off of it. That's gonna be my first thing. So I ID where the problem was at. Rubber cement's one of those things that, like, you definitely need to have enough of it. These are all tubes. I don't have enough in any one of these. These are all empty. I might have enough in this one right here to make this repair, but it's really good for you to get one of these. And this is by Slime. It's rubber cement. It's 8 fluid ounces. When it comes down to applying this, I definitely recommend that you get one of these wooden handle tire patch rollers. Now, I use multiple other things, but this roller here is just gonna be amazing. It's gonna put on this patch, it's gonna put pressure. You can be able to go back and forth, and get that patch in there, work down there really nice. So it's an item you must have. This help me scrape this, get that area nice and ready for it, and apply my patch. It's an easy repair, but it's already pretty annoying. Just because I gotta pull the other patch, it's already in the spot that I want to put my new patch in. You can use a valve stem core remover, which is what I'm gonna use right now, just so I don't have any air. I did fill it up just to see where the hole was, because I did take off the patch itself, and it was pretty significant. I'm gonna stretch that out. Right there, the hole pops up. So there we go. That's the hole right there. So it's pretty noticeable. Again, it's pretty easy to do a patch, and it's really easy to also mess it up. When it comes down to this is going to be the outer portion of it. So there's 2 sections of it. I'm going to try to pull the patch out like this, where you see nothing but red. Pull the red portion of it out, just like that. Okay, when it comes down to it, I like to put my patch right there. Rubber cement, apply plenty of it when it comes down to it in that area. This is a pretty big drop of cement right there. I'm definitely gonna apply it, put it on there. I want this to spread towards the other side, so before it cures, oh yeah, there we go. It's everywhere, just like that. Now notice there's a plastic on the top side. I want to hit it towards the middle so it can dry and start curing, and just hit it just like that. It'll start curing, and I'm not being gentle with it. I'm really pressing on there. So there you go, just hit it just like that. Towards the other side, the same thing. So I'm gonna hit it just like. I notice the plastic film is still on the top. Now I'm just gonna press out, middle, continue press out, middle, continue press out. It's gonna be a matte finish to this black portion of it, so definitely take off that plastic. You can even take the edges off here with the plastic. Just make sure that that orange stuff right there doesn't come along with it. Anything metallic, you just use it to tamper it down, just like so. It's a thin layer of plastic that's on the top. Allows this matte finish. I did use all of the rubber cement that I did have on this. This is why I have extra. I always use this bigger one, 8 fluid ounces. Pull it, rubber cement comes off. Use the little brush, brush it on there, and it'd be good to go. This is just a lot more, so you can put that in there. Clean that area, just like so. With this, you'll be able to put your new patch in. Valve stem puller, removes the core from the valve stem, and a wooden roller for the actual patch itself. This will have you pretty squared away. It'll have this patched up and ready to go for the next time. And it feels good. This is definitely not that patchwork that got done prior. You can clean off the sections off here to the side, but I just leave it as is, fill it up, put it in the tire, and this is good to go.